Today, me and my son are going to load up the truck with the junk that we salvaged over the weekend. We have a little bit of cleaning up to do on some of the material to get the best money for the product. Now these old water heaters, they usually got a little bit of copper on them and a little bit of brass. And it's always nice to have some of the high ticket items on the load going in. Head up to town. It's about 25 miles to bring this in, but we got to go up there anyway. About ready to pull into the scales here and get rid of some of the steel. We finished up there at that junkyard for the steel. We got to go to this other one, get a little better price on the copper and the aluminum. So we're going to head over there